Let's make play clay. It's an inexpensive craft that you're sure to enjoy making. One recipe makes 2 pounds of dough. Combine in a medium saucepan 1 cup of cornstarch and 1 box or 2 cups of baking soda. Mix this together. Add 1 1/4 cup cold water, 1 tablespoon of corn oil, and 1 tablespoon of liquid food coloring, or you can use 1 to 2 teaspoons of a paste coloring. Combine this together and then add it to your drying mixture. You'll need to stir constantly now over a medium heat. It will take about 5 to 6 minutes, but you want the mixture to come to a boil. You'll start to see the mixture thicken and develop lumps, and this is normal. Then a mass will develop, and when it holds its shape and almost looks like dry mashed potatoes, it's done. As soon as it holds its shape, remove it from the heat and turn it onto a plate. Cover it with a damp cloth. When it is cool to handle, put it on a lightly covered surface with additional cornstarch. Knead it until it is smooth and pliable. You can use the play clay right away, or you can store it in a tightly closed plastic or sealed container. You will have fun creating all kinds of colors and shapes. All ages will enjoy making letters, numbers, braids, and their own special unique creations using play clay.